2006 F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, four-wheel ABS, dual front airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, cruise control, keyless entry, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound, trip odometer, trip computer, bed liner, fog lamps, power door locks, power windows, leather wrapped steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, sunroof. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.